Hi everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn how to use maximum function and minimum function. These functions are essential for quickly finding the highest and lowest values in your data. Let's start with the maximum function. This function returns the highest value in your dataset. For example, I have taken one provision shop list. Here we will find what is the highest amount in that list. Equals to max, open the bracket, type C2 semicolon C10, close the bracket, then hit enter. Here it is. In this price list, the highest amount is 240. Next, let's look at the minimum function. These function find the lowest value in the range of numbers. By using this same set of numbers, let's find the minimum value. Equals to minimum, open the bracket, type C2 semicolon C10, close the bracket, then hit enter. In this price list, the lowest value is 10. And that's it. We have successfully found the lowest and highest values in this price list. Thanks for watching and see you next time.